guys, welcome back to yet another Flormar Friday video. In today's video we are doing color correcting and how you can use each color to reduce the appearance of all kinds of imperfections. The 5-color camouflage concealer palette helps to reduce the appearance of all kinds of imperfections. The lilac shade regulates the tone of lifeless, pale and yellowish areas. The green shade covers the imperfections like redness and acne. The pink shade covers up, refreshes and brightens the bluish-green imperfections and dark circles. The beige shade conceals the problematic areas like scars, marks and areas that need extra coverage. And the lightest color of the palette is usable to brighten tired, dull-looking skin or as a highlighter for an illuminated and refreshed look. The texture is soft and velvety and the performance provides a medium-high coverage. The concealers can be applied with a sponge or concealer brush on the imperfections. Before you apply it though, it is recommended to use an eye care product, ideally an eye makeup primer. The last type of color correcting creams are the CC creams, which are magical color effect color correcting creams which illuminates the skin and transform into foundation.